When you first see the word hexadecimal, it feels like one of those scary math terms you'd rather avoid. But in reality, it's just a clever shortcut programmers use every single day. Think about this. Computers speak in binary, just ones and zeros. That's fine for a machine, but imagine if every time you wanted to describe a color, an error code, or even a piece of memory, you had to write out 32 or 64 ones and zeros. You'd lose your mind. That's where hexadecimal comes in. Hexadecimal is just base 16. Instead of counting 0 to 9 and stopping, we keep going. A stands for 10, B for 11, C for 12, D for 13, E for 14, and F for 15. 12, D for 13, E for 14, and F for 15. That's it. 6 extra symbols. Suddenly, instead of writing long strings of binary, we compress them into something humans can actually read without going crazy. Hex is like writing in shorthand. It doesn't change the meaning of the sentence, it just makes it faster and easier for humans to read. Now, why does this matter in programming? Let's bring it to life. Take websites, for example. Every color you see is often represented in hex. That bright red subscribe button, it isn't called red in code, it's #FF0000. Pure white, $FFFFFF. Programmers can change the entire mood of a site just by tweaking those hexadecimal codes. It's literally the painter's palette of the web. Or think about games. Every pixel in a game, Mario's red hat, the green pipes, the blue sky, all those colors are defined using hexadecimal codes. And not just colors, memory addresses inside the system also use hex. When a programmer wants to tell the computer where something is stored, they don't say, at the 1,048,576th byte. They use a neat little hexadecimal address that's way easier to keep track of. And let's not forget debugging. If you've ever seen an error code pop up that starts with 0x followed by a string of letters and numbers, that's hexadecimal. It's the computer's way of giving you precise information without vomiting an unreadable wall of binary. Here's the big takeaway. Hexadecimal is the bridge between how computers think and how humans understand what computers are doing. It's not some abstract math thing. It's a practical tool that makes programming, game design, and even web development manageable. So the next time you see #FF5733 on a design file or 0x7FFF on a memory address, you'll know exactly what's happening. Hex isn't scary. It's just the computer's way of meeting us halfway. And stick around because in the next video we're going to look at how hex ties directly into memory management and why programmers still rely on it when debugging complex systems.